My name is Brooke Bilby. I am the gifted coordinator for the Ladue School District. Ladue's philosophy is to have flexible, innovative and rigorous learning environments.
Brooke, how does the gifted curriculum differ from that of core subjects, and what are the goals for educating gifted students in Ladue?
Sonja, we use a curriculum that differs in pace, depth, and complexity of study to meet the educational needs. Archaeology, the brain, and espionage are examples of units we use.
As a gifted teacher for Ladue, I know one thing we do is recognize individual learning styles, social emotional concerns and special abilities and needs.
That's true, Sonja. At Ladue, we view students as lifelong learners and responsible global citizens.
Brooke, could you review Ladue's standard gifted criteria?
There are 4 identification screening categories. First, problem-solving Naglieri nonverbal ability test at 96th percentile. Next, there's the Williams creativity test 90 points.
We also use the MAP at 96% or Discovery Education TROP 15%. Lastly, we use the Webster Intelligence Scale for Children. 5th edition must be a 130 or higher.
You might be interested to know that there are 1,495 students in Ladue. Of those, 560 are identified as gifted. 55% are male and 45% are female.
I find it more interesting that 26% are Asian, 62% are white, but only 2% are Hispanic and 3% are black. What are we doing to identify the underserved?
Well, we have a reconsideration committee for the twice exceptional and underserved populations. Next year we are looking at data in K and first grades and providing enrichment.
I see that you will also recheck data in 3rd grade with the hopes of seeing improvement among the underserved populations. We'll now look at students at the 50th percentile.
Yes, Sonja. That is correct. Allowing students to participate in enrichment groups from grades K through 3 who score at the 50th percentile should give more opportunities.
Seeing how we can improve is great. Implementing STEM lessons, piloting enrichment curriculum in 1st grade and reviewing current testing measures should help tremendously.
I sure hope so, Sonja. Our data tells us Ladue's 2014 and 2015 rate of identified gifted is 22%. More gifted students are identified in grades 6 through 8 than K through 5.
Unfortunately, it also tells us that Black and Hispanic students are underrepresented. It's our job to ready students to be good candidates for being tested by educating teachers.
You're exactly right, Sonja. Dees says gifted children means those who exhibit precocious development of mental capacity and learning potential as determined by evaluation.
Yes, Brooke. To the extent that continued educational growth and stimulation could best be served by an academic environment beyond that offered through a standard curriculum.
Let's work together, using best practices and research-based instruction to include all kids in our gifted program at Ladue.
I'm down for that, Brooke. Thanks for considering the needs of all children in the Ladue School District. Maybe we can be a model for surrounding districts and beyond.